Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Fitbod Workout and Gym Planner application on your mobile phone, which is an app based on fitness, workouts and muscle building. To download it, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Fitbod Workout and Gym Planner. You can see the app here, which is based on strength training and fitness. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and enjoy its features. Now the application is ready to use for your workout journey. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.